Why? He's confused with everything. He don't know who he is, why he is, where he is, what he is, and why he's going, where he's going. He don't understand the women, don't understand what women want, don't understand what society wants from him. So he's confused. And therefore he's also angry. 90% of the men in this room are angry men. You won't admit that, but I know that's true. And your anger is deeply concealed. I guarantee you that all the men in prison are angry men. All. And if you listen, I've done interviews with these men for my books. Everyone was angry. And 90% was angry at their father who they never met, or who they never saw, or who was never there, or who they couldn't talk to. They were angry, and their anger comes out in frustration. And the frustration comes out in self-hatred, and the self-hatred is manifest